there's more to this life than just being here forever and ever and ever. I was sitting in this job, I'm like, I have everything that I could possibly have wanted. Worked towards it, studied towards it. I was in a really cushy 9 to 5. I was earning 6 figures. It was awesome. But I would get home at night and think, I want to do more with my time. I want to be able to do something a little bit more productive and to share some of my knowledge. So what exactly is a side hustle? For me, I feel like I have to define it a little bit, because a lot of people who meet me for the first time, they might say, oh, that's side hustle. Is that just like driving an Uber? Or is that just picking up another part-time job? That is definitely not how I would define a side hustle in my world and to the clients that I serve today. A side hustle for me is something that represents freedom and a place to represent some choice in your career. My favorite quote is commit to committing. I think a lot of people go, oh yeah, I'll start that one day, or when I work things out or get things going. Commit to committing.